kitchen light stays on until the break of day. A quiet strength that keeps the winter cold at bay. They held my hand when every road was paved with stone. A steady warmth to guide a traveler back home. The weight of years is etched in lines upon the brow. The purest grace is all they offer to me now. Yeah. A dusty suitcase rests beside the station gate. The iron tracks are cold and will not choose to wait. Road is spread is chasing shadows toward the west. With heavy hearts we put our childhood to the test. I'll find a way before the engine starts to roar. The fading ghost of who we were once from before. The heavens open up and wash the dust away. The silver beads are dancing in a rhythmic play. A gentle heat settles deep within my chest, while all the world is finding time to take a rest. The falling drops are singing softly to the ground. A peaceful soul is all the treasure that I found. No frantic pace can reach me in this sheltered room. Just herbal tea and flowers starting now to bloom. The clock can tick, but time has lost its jagged edge. The sparrows huddle underneath the garden hedge. I feel the stillness folding around me like a glove, secure within the circle of elastic love. Yeah, yeah. The miles we stretch between the faces that I miss. Yeah, yeah. The memory remains a soft and silent key. And let us enter across the ocean wide and blue. We'll carry sparks of everything we ever knew. The clouds are gray, but light is leaking through the seams to dress the valley in the fabric of my dreams. The heavens open up and wash the dust away. The silver beads are dancing in a rhythmic play. A gentle lead settles deep within my chest, while all the world is finding time to take a rest. The falling drops are singing softly to the ground. A peaceful soul is all the treasure that I found.